How to enable or disable Shell Handwriting feature in Windows 11. Windows 11 lets you write directly into text fields using Shell Handwriting, a feature designed for touch and pen-enabled devices. You can turn it on under Settings as Use your handwriting to enter text. It's a natural, easy way to convert handwriting into text. In this video, we'll show you how to enable or disable this feature using the Settings app, Registry Editor, or .reg files. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites to keep in mind. Windows 11 gives you several ways to manage Shell Handwriting and Windows Ink to text. This will help you customize input options to fit your device and organization's needs. Before you start, make sure you meet these prerequisites. You're running Windows 11 version 23 H2 or later. Your device supports Shell Handwriting, available from build 23481, 22631.2050, or 25926. Touch and pen input are enabled for this feature to work. And finally, you have local user access with standard permissions. Method 1. Enable or disable via the Settings app. This method offers the easiest way to manage Shell Handwriting and Windows Ink writing to text. Open Settings by pressing Windows+I or search for it from the Start menu. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, Pen and Windows Ink. Under Handwriting, expand Handwriting Panel Settings and enable Write with your fingertip if needed. Then, under Shell Handwriting, expand Use your handwriting to enter text and turn the toggle on to enable handwriting in text fields, off to disable it. Finally, restart your PC to apply the changes. Method 2. Enable or disable via Registry Editor. This method works by changing the registry settings that manage the Windows Ink handwriting to text feature. Open the Registry Editor. Press Windows+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Go to this path. On the right side, double-click Enable Inking with Touch. If it's not there, right-click the Embedded Ink Control folder, select New, DWord, 32-bit, Value, and name it Enable Inking with Touch. Set the value to 1 to enable handwriting to text, 0 to disable it. Click OK, then restart your PC to apply the changes. Method 3. Enable or disable via a .reg file. This method automates the registry edits using a .reg file. Open Notepad. To enable, paste the following code. To disable, use this code. Save the file with a .reg extension. For example, enable_handwriting.reg or disable_handwriting.reg. Find and double-click the file to merge it into the registry. Confirm the User Account Control (UAC) prompt, then restart your PC to apply the changes. Shell Handwriting improves the Windows Ink handwriting to text experience on touch and pen-enabled devices. You can turn it on or off in several ways. With the right setup, teams can keep devices consistent, manageable, and secure across the organization. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable Shell Handwriting feature in Windows 11, linked in the description below.